Hello and welcome to this Ars Koso video. I am CBT nutritionist Chen, and today I'm here to help you feel vital and energetic and powerful. How does that sound? So I'll be sharing 5 practical tips to energize your cells and your body that you can pretty much implement right away. And of course, I'll be breaking down the science of each step. So the powerhouse organelle that helps our cells generate energy to carry out its functions is called the mitochondria. And this part of the cell has been around since the beginning of our evolution. I want you to think of the mitochondria kind of like a factory that takes sugar or glucose directly or converted from food, and it combines it with oxygen to produce ATP, which is the energy currency of our body. This process is super intricate and has many steps, which I won't bore you with. However, that means that there are a few ways for us to optimize its pathways to help you produce more energy and do it more efficiently. The first way is very simple and you can do it anywhere and anytime, and that is just breathing or breath work. As I've said before, one of the vital ingredients of generating ATP is oxygen, so simply breathing intentionally can make a huge difference. Taking deep nasal breaths that expand your rib cage for 4 counts, holding it at the top for 4 counts, exhaling it out for 4 counts, and then holding that at the bottom for another 4 counts is a popular mindfulness breathing exercise called box breathing. It regulates the mitochondria and it energizes the nervous system. The second way is to regularly fast or practice time-restricted eating. Research has shown that keeping your food intake to 2 to 3 main meals within an 8 to 10 hour window can be a good way to repair or restore damaged parts of the cell in a process called autophagy. By minimizing snacking throughout the day or by fasting for up to 16 hours, you're giving your body time to recover between meals and engage in autophagy. This in turn gets rid of damaged mitochondria, so when you're eating your next meal, you're able to produce energy from it efficiently and effectively. The third way to optimize mitochondria function is to avoid refined and nutrient-depleted carbohydrates, such as white breads, white pastas, or high sugar pastries. These are foods that can cause insulin spikes and crashes, as well as other dysregulations to the inflammatory pathways and hormone cycles that influence your mitochondria. Next up, you can use exercise or movement to add more mitochondria to your cells, as well as grow the size of your mitochondria. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has been found to be very effective at increasing your oxygen intake in the short term and building up muscular endurance in the long term, which means that you see an increase in the number and size of your mitochondria in your cells, and that helps to prepare you for future workouts. And last but not least, the opposite of energy is not rest. They are actually part of the same cycle. So in order for you to generate energy, you must rest. Which brings us to our final way to promote mitochondria output, and that is to regulate your circadian rhythm with a deep and restful sleep. So things like having a nightly wind down routine, minimizing sound and light disruptions, and giving yourself enough time to sleep, these are all ways to help your mitochondria perform at its best the following day. And there you have it. Those are 5 ways that you can supercharge your mitochondria. Tell me, which way did you find to be the easiest to incorporate? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Keren. It's been a pleasure. You can find my information down below, and I will see you in the next video with Ars Koso. Bye!